online education scene. He's one of the biggest influencers around right now in terms of teaching people how to make money. Some people call him a scam, some people call him a con artist. I've shook his hand once, but I don't really know too much about his story, so I took it upon myself to do some research and figure out what's true about this guy, what's not, so I could figure out the ins and outs of the situation. So what I found out is Tai Lopez is 41 years old. He was born in 1978, somewhere I think on the East Coast area. Now, Tai Lopez graduated college in year 2000, and what he ended up doing was he actually went on to become a financial advisor. Now, I think he does claim in some videos he didn't graduate college. Friends of his say he did graduate college. I'm going to go with the friends of his on this one. And also, the fact is he was a financial advisor, which requires you to get your CFP license, you have to have graduated college. So we're just going to say he graduated college. But he became a financial advisor then. So Tai was a financial advisor for a number of years. He actually worked in corporate America for GE Capital for about 7 or 8 years until he started catching the bug. Now, I caught the bug, and the bug is wanting to start an internet business. The bug is wanting to leave behind this corporate world, which is inhumane, and it just helps us lead a life of being brainwashed slaves. I totally understand where Ty's coming from on this one. Nobody wants to work a corporate job for the rest of your life. You aren't going to make big money. You aren't going to be satisfied. You aren't going to have control over your time or your freedom. So in 2007, he started creating internet business. So Tai Lopez actually did affiliate marketing. So he was doing dating sites. He was doing what's called white labeled dating sites. And that means you are putting up a dating site using somebody else's software. Essentially, you are a dating affiliate. You have your own domain and you can use your own logo, but it is part of a broader, bigger dating site network. Now, this is actually pretty good. This is pretty smart of him to have started an internet business in 2007. That was pretty early on for most people getting on to the internet. You know, I started in 2012. You know, a lot of people will say, I started an internet business early before it was cool. He started an internet business back in 2007, and I suspect, and from what sources I could find, he did reasonably well. So here we see on the Consumer Affairs website, Elite Global Dating. It's based in Beverly Hills, California, where Tai Lopez is based. And what you'll see is the reviews aren't too positive. Based on 6 reviews, the average review is 1. And the tagline of it is romance for the successful and attractive. So very much in line with kind of like this ideal imagery, that celebrity that he tries to create in what he does. The charges for it is, you know, 149 pounds, probably about $200 to sign up for this site for 6 months. From what it seems like, they didn't allow people to cancel their subscription, and they didn't pay any refunds. This person is saying it is a total scam, avoid at all costs. Pretty interesting stuff, but you know, it sounds like he was pretty new to business and wasn't able to do this. And keep in mind, at this time in life, he is 29 years old. So I'm actually assuming, some people assume that he made his money just by being big on the internet. I actually believe Tai Lopez made his money when in between this period of when he became very big on the internet. Now you'll see in 2015, he came out with his now infamous commercial, Here in My Garage, if you recall that commercial. Here in my garage with my Lamborghini, I don't care about material things, though I care about knowledge. And hey, if you buy my course, I'll teach you how to have a wealthy mindset, or something along those lines. So in 2015, he's 37 years old, and this is when he became famous, okay? In 2017, his trajectory continued, and he hit 1 million YouTube subs. And in 2019, it's today, he's, you know, 1.3 million YouTube subs. And, you know, he's running his business. He has a very good business, and he comes out with a lot of marketing stuff, and I know he's influencing a lot of people. Now, if you want my opinion on everything, as I said before, I believe Ty became rich between 2007 and 2015. A lot of people say that Tai Lopez is a total scam and what he's teaching is false. His methods to success, that he never actually had any success until he released this commercial about him being in his garage with his rented Lamborghini. You know, I understand how a lot of people want to believe that he didn't just become wealthy, and I think a lot of people are actually stuck in victim mindset. I believe a lot of people want to find reasons for why somebody didn't just make their own wealth and they weren't a self-made wealthy person, especially somebody who comes off as douchey as Tai Lopez. But the reality is, and what I'm pretty sure about is, based on the volume of complaints about his dating site, I'm assuming he had a lot of customers. And it looks like, you know, people were paying $150 every 6 months or $300 a year. I'm assuming this guy made a ton of cash running his dating sites. I'm not sure if it made him a millionaire or a multimillionaire, but I'm assuming it afforded him a very good lifestyle in these years in his 30s. So I believe he became rich before he became famous, and essentially he became rich as running dating websites, as a white label dating affiliate. Is Tai Lopez a scam? Maybe leaves to be the question to be asked. Well, obviously, you know, people who were subscribers to his dating website think that it's kind of a scam. You know, he wasn't honoring their refund policy, he wasn't canceling people's auto subscriptions. But that being said, I think most people are referring, you know, I'm not going to comment on things that I don't know fully about. All I know is there's a lot of complaints. But what I can comment about is, you know, that he sells educational material about improving your mindset to become successful, to become wealthy. And I believe he's got it in it. He's got it. And he's figured it out in terms of a mindset perspective. So I don't believe he's a scam when it comes to business advice. I believe he's actually a pretty smart guy. He's a marketer, just like the rest of us. And he may have had a stint where he got a little bit too aggressive on marketing, which is obviously not good, but I'll leave everybody to decide their own judgments. Somewhere in here, he claims to have been Amish. I have no idea about that. But if you have any insights into this, or if this video was helpful for you in any ways, or if you have like totally opposite thoughts from me, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to see what your thoughts are on this in the comments. I tried to dissect and research everything as much as I could, but please, interaction in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Is Tai Lopez a scam, or is Tai Lopez legit and helpful? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you're interested in seeing how I make money online, because I actually do affiliate marketing. That's what I do for a living, and I am a multimillionaire at this point as well. You can subscribe to my channel and check out some of my other trainings. I do have trainings on how to be an affiliate marketer and all that stuff. You can find free courses and information on my YouTube channel.